Imagine a place where your thoughts, dreams, and creativity come to life, where every page is a new beginning. Hi, I'm Erikatzjournal, and welcome to my little corner of the internet. I studied psychology and audiovisual arts, and I believe journaling is more than just write. It's a way to express yourself, heal, and celebrate life's little moments. Here, we'll explore creative journaling, from mixed media pages to fun prompts that spark joy and self-discovery. Whether you want to document your days, process emotions, or simply play with colors, this space is for you. No rules, no pressure, just pure creativity and self-expression. Let's fill these pages together. Subscribe and join me on this beautiful journey.